Today is our first day or first class for our carpentry, and the topic is technical drawing and alphabet of lines. I am your teacher Albren, will be the one who's going to assist you to learn the topic. By the way, this is an aid to help students learn from home. So if you have questions, you can try to PM me through Facebook, and let us begin. What is technical drawing? So we say technical drawing provides the clear and accurate information how an object is to be manufactured. This drawing is it's a form of design communication based on lines, symbols, recognized and understood worldwide. Is often referred to a universal language understood, readable by anyone regardless of language they speak. So, tinuod man kung tan-aw nato ang ubang mga lugar, they have different nationalities nga nagtrabaho para sa usa ka project. Now, ang nahitabo dili din ana magkasinabot dayon, but they were able to understand what they're going to create. So they don't need to speak or to talk because they can understand the drawing. Now let's try to continue. So what is technical drawing? Again, contractors, estimators, tradesmen, and builders rely totally on the technical drawing for the information they need to build, construct, and manufacture a product. Science and manufacturing industries, the study of technical drawing ability to prepare, read, and interpret technical drawings is essential. So, bot pasabot. Kung dili ka kabalo mo basa sa mga lines, so ang mahitabo ana ang pagbuhat unya sa ato ang mga project dili mao, di ba? Dili ta magkasigo, dili ta magkasinabot, ang mahitabo matangtang ka sa trabaho kay tungod di ka kasabot sa iyang drawing. So, what is an alphabet of lines? So, an alphabet of lines is we have this used to in technical drawing are often referred to alphabet of line. Kanang mga drawing nato usay di ba natay i-drawing para makita ang luyo. O natay i-shade ana diha gamay or ganahan ka nga ma-emphasize na kani jud siya moy naa sa tubangan. So mo na ay mga kuan nga kani siya na ay bar diri sa luyo. Okay, so mo na mahitaboon ta. Nanay mga alphabet of lines. Well, anyway, alphabet of lines will be discussed later on. Now, the use of line symbols enables engineers and designers to express features of designed products clearly and accurately. Line features vary not only by width but also by how they are graphically represented in the drawing. Line significance is conveyed by line weight. So, gibag-on, and the thickness of the line. So, every line is drawn at different thickness and darkness to express contrast as well as importance. So, lines that are less important are thin and light. Key to successful drafting is to have a good technical knowledge of these various lines characteristics. So, to understand where and when to apply them in the technical drawing, let's try to proceed with definition. Here, we have the object or visible line. So, thick, dark lines used to show outline of object, visible edges, and surfaces. We have also construction line. The construction line is very light and thin line used to construct layout work. We have also the dimension line. Kani siya thin and dark lines used to show the size, the span of an object with a numeric value. So usually terminates the arrowhead and thick markings. So we have also the hidden line. This hidden line is short dashed lines used to show non-visible surfaces. Usually shows a medium thickness. Also the center line. Long and short dashed line usually indicate center of holes, circles, and arcs. This line is thin and dark. One. We have here the extension line. So thin and dark lines used to show the starting and ending of dimension. So we have also the cutting plane line. These lines are extra thick line used to show cutaway views or plane projection where a section view is taken. Arrow indicates direction of view. Break lines. So short and long break medium line used to show cut out. Leader line is a medium line with arrowhead to show note and label for size or spatial information about the feature. Phantom line. We have here the long line followed by two short dashes used to show alternate position of a moving part. Okay, continue. Now also we have these medium lines drawn at 45 degrees used to show interior view or solid areas of border lines. These lines are the heaviest lines used for making border around the drawing. The next part will be an examination, so prepare your pen and paper. Examination. Directions, kindly listen carefully. Choose the correct answer of the following questions and write the answer on the paper and submit it together with the modules. So you'll be passing it on Friday, this coming Friday. So let's begin. Question number 1. This provides a clear and accurate information of an object is to be manufactured. Options there that you can see is a technical drawing, alphabet of lines, border lines. Again, this provides a clear and accurate information of an object is to be manufactured. Technical drawing, alphabet of lines, border lines. You can pause for you to answer. Let's try to go on the next one. This is the name used to describe the line symbols used in technical drawings. We have technical drawing, alphabet of lines, border lines. Again, this is the name used to describe the line symbols used in the technical drawing. We have options, technical drawing, alphabet of lines, border lines. You can use pause in order for you to answer. So pause first and then try to write the answer and continue. Now we have number 3. Choose the correct name of the drawing below. You have there a long line, short line, and a long line. Then write, or the options there is construction line, border lines, center lines. Again, choose the correct name of the drawing below. We have there a long line with a short line in the center and a long line. We have the options construction line, border lines, and center line. Number 4. Choose the correct name of the drawing below. So you can see there a line with a zigzag and then going back to a straight line. The options that you can see is section line, short and long break lines, or object or visible lines. Again, choose the correct name of the drawing below. We have a straight line, then a zigzag, and then a straight going back to straight line. There you can see section line, the first option. The second option is the short and long break lines. The third option is the object or visible lines. Let's continue. Number 5, choose the correct name of the drawing below. We have a thick line. So the options here is the object or visible lines. Second one is the section line. The third one is the short and long breaks. Again, choose the correct name of the drawing below. We have there a line that is a thick line. So let's try to continue. The options, object or visible line. The second one is the section line, and the third one is the short and long break lines. Number 6, choose the correct name of the drawing below. We have really thick line, so I want you to choose section line, border lines, or object or visible lines. Again, you need to choose section, border, object, or visible lines. Again, if you need time, you can pause the video and try to write the answers. Okay, let's continue. Number 7, choose the correct name of the drawing below. We have there a box with zigzag. I'm sorry, not a zigzag, but a line parallel to each other. So it's up to you to choose. Okay, let's try to continue. So the options that we have here is the phantom line, the section line, and the extension line. Again, you need to choose the correct name of the drawing below. You can see a box with parallel lines inside with an inclination of 45 degrees. So it's up to you to choose whether it is a phantom line, so section line, or an extension line. Next, number 8. Choose the correct name of the drawing below. So we have there a line with an arrow that goes going down. So you need to choose from the options: phantom line, extension line, leader lines. Again, phantom line, extension line, leader lines. Okay, if you need time, you can press pause and then start when you are ready. These are short dashed lines used to show non-visible surfaces, usually shows as medium thickness. Again, these are short dashed lines used to show non-visible surfaces, usually shows as medium thickness. Options here, we have phantom line, the hidden line, and the extension line. Again, options: phantom line, hidden line, and extension line. The question is, these are short dashed lines used to show non-visible surfaces, usually shows as medium thickness. So phantom line, hidden line, and the extension line. Last number. This is an extra thick line used to show cutaway views or plane of projection where a section view is taken. Arrow indicates direction of view. Again, this is an extra thick line used to show cutaway views or plane of projection where a section view is taken. Arrow indicates direction of view. The options that we have right now is phantom line, extension line, and cutting line. So that would be the question. Okay, there are the questions. You need to submit this your answers this coming Friday. So You just need to present it to me this Friday. Okay, so let's try to continue to see the conclusion. For the conclusion, we have technical drawings are ways of communicating to all people working the project and presenting what architect or engineer expect to happen in the project. And so carpenter can work harmoniously and efficiently in the workplace. And that will be the topic for today, for this week. Hopefully you will have a great weekday and enjoy your stay at home. This is your teacher, Alfred, and goodbye.